Hey, this is Rich from New School Piano. We're going to do a little piano version of Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles, or George Harrison. Alright, here's what it looks like. All we're doing is doing 1/5s to fill it up and make it feel like a guitar. So we're going to use 3 chords, A, D, to E. For those of you that don't know, an A chord, A, C sharp, E. D chord, D, F sharp, A. E chord, E, G sharp, B. All we're going to use for our bouncing bass line are the 1 and the 5. So it's going to be for the A chord, then to a D chord, which is D and A, to an E chord, which is E and B. And it's going to look like this. All right, the right hand is let me do it in pieces. First one. I'll play it as slow as I can. I'll play it at speed. And I'm playing it like this only so you can see the notes. Play it with your full hand. One more time, I'll do it slowly. And I'll do the right hand by itself. One more time. All right, rewind this as you need. Have fun practicing and visit New School Piano. Please subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.